What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video, guys. I'm already in my car today. I just wanted to explain a few things. Most of this video is going to be me driving, so don't worry about that. I just wanted to explain that the GoPro that I'm going to be using on top of my head is normally the GoPro that I use outside of the car, but today it's raining and the one that I normally use on top of my head is waterproof. So I decided to put that one outside, so the video footage of me driving inside might not be as good. So I just want to let you guys know, but we're going to be driving, just hearing the sound clips of full Catless muffler delete on the F30 335, and that's pretty much it. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the next part of the video. Also, guys, I can't really see how it looks because this one is a little bit older of a version of the GoPro, and the other one I can actually see with my phone what it looks like. So hopefully you guys can see a majority of it, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the car. Let me go ahead, run on the window so you guys can hear it. Let's put it into sport mode. Okay. This is a cold start. I haven't started it at all today. Hopefully you guys can see it pretty good. Like I said, I really don't know if it's catching everything, so I guess we'll find out in a little bit. But let's go ahead and start driving. We're not going to drive it too hard. We're just going to drive around really quick for a little bit, and then we'll probably actually do some heavy driving. And I'm not going to be talking that much, guys. I'm just explaining everything right now so you guys can kind of understand. It's a pretty stormy day outside. Let me see, make sure I got this not crazy wet. Okay, so yeah, it's a pretty stormy day, as you guys can see. So maybe we'll have some fun, but just gonna let the car warm up. There's a little bit of a walk around for you guys. want to do like a few revving clips real quick. The car is pretty much warmed up. I don't know if you guys can see it. So I wasn't really pushing it too hard, to be honest. So on the way back and around, I'm gonna be pushing on it a little bit more, like accelerating harder, so you guys can hear like what it sounds like when it shifts. So I'm hoping that it's pretty loud, because I'm gonna be getting this car tuned relatively soon. So this is like completely stock for now. Literally just Catless downpipe muffler delete, and that's it. And I have intercooler, so technically I could go like, I'm technically full bolt on, because you don't really need to do the intake to be full bolt on. So those are the mods that I have on the car right now. Just thought I would let you guys know, literally just Catless downpipe from VRSF, muffler delete, straight muffler delete. I have the resonators and then the intercoolers. So that's literally it. So all the sound you're hearing is from that. So let's go ahead, we're in neutral mode. I'm gonna go ahead, just let the other camera pick up all the audio, and we're just gonna rev the car a little bit. So I feel like that's a decent amount sound, but once we get it tuned, I think I'm gonna go burble tune, so definitely gonna have a few videos on that. But yeah, let's go ahead, keep driving real quick. hopefully you enjoyed those sound clips. I'm pretty sure we got a lot of cool clips. I'm gonna go ahead and tune it relatively soon as well, so I just want to get this video out as soon as possible. So yeah guys, I'm really excited to bring some more content to you guys. It's been a really busy Christmas season. I haven't been able to make very many videos, but anyway, regardless of all that, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to follow me on Instagram. Remember to subscribe down below, guys. It helps me out a ton. It helps me out so much. So go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, help me out, guys. Without further ado, I will catch you guys in the next video. I forgot. Remember to stay safe, stay happy, stay in that project car. I'll catch you guys in the next video.